Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. We're here today at our newest listing at 20 Martimas Avenue in Hamilton.
This fabulous home features 3+1 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, private fenced yard, and plenty of parking. Let's go inside and take a closer look.
Thank you for visiting us at 20 Martimas Avenue in Hamilton. We hope you enjoyed the photos, video, and floor plans in the safety of your home.
If you would like to book a showing to view this fabulous home, or if you would like to buy or sell in Hamilton, we're Mark and Wendy. We can be reached at 905-512-1846.